Now, from your trusted team of meteorologists at Panhandle Weather, this is your morning forecast update.
Well, and a good morning weather-wise today, shaping up to see a few changes. Yes, there's some clouds out there this morning. Those clouds will exit fairly quickly, though, over the course of the day, and we'll see some comfortable conditions return. You probably noticed that little bit of an uptick in the humidity last night into this morning. That's going to be going away here pretty quickly. Our forecast headlines, for the most part, typical October weather here. We'll see a little more humidity as we head into the weekend, maybe a small chance of rainfall as we head into your Sunday. And Melissa formed on Tuesday down across the Caribbean. We'll talk a little bit about that as well. High temperatures today should get up close to 80. Notice some clouds this morning giving way to sunshine as we make way on into the afternoon. There goes that cloud cover pushing down to the south. And after that, the weather looks very nice and quiet as we make our way through the rest of the day of Wednesday and on into Thursday. But during this time, we'll see that dry air filter in. And you're definitely going to notice it Thursday morning with some much cooler weather on the way, thanks to the northerly winds that we're seeing out there today. And those winds are blowing out of the north at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. It's a little breezy for the first half of the day. But as we move into the overnight hours tonight, we'll see the winds settle down to about maybe 5 to 10 miles an hour across our area. And then we'll see the northeasterly wind take over as we head into the daytime on Thursday. By the weekend, we'll start to see a little bit more of an onshore wind develop, and that could increase the humidity again. High temperatures for today, right around 80 degrees for most of us. Thunder Beach through Sunday gets underway today, and at least for today, weather's looking very nice, lots of sunshine. Temperatures well up into the 70s as this big trough of low pressure digs across the eastern part of the United States, and that's going to keep us on the pleasant side. Meanwhile, out to the west, big trough of low pressure developing, and that could be our next weather maker with that small chance of rainfall on Sunday. It's very iffy, very precarious the way it looks now, so I wouldn't stress too much about it. Low temperatures as you wake up tomorrow morning, 40s inland with 50s expected right along the coastline. High temperatures on Thursday, once again up there pretty close to 80 degrees. Not finding much rainfall over the next 7 days is pretty much Sunday, and even then it's just a 20% chance of a few showers. Meanwhile, Melissa down across the Caribbean, forecast to just kind of meander around here over the next several days. You can see just kind of sitting and spinning, could get very close to Hispaniola, possibly back over into Cuba, Jamaica. This is going to be a big rainfall producer down there, and that'll probably be the biggest impact. And you see, this is the American computer model. And again, it all depends on where this thing ends up going. But you see the potential exists for more than 10 inches of rain across some places across the Caribbean as we make our way through the upcoming weekend. So we'll have to watch it. You see how the computer models move it to the north and west and then just kind of meander it around. But the general consensus is at some point this is going to get tugged on and then race up toward the north and east. As far as the intensity of the storm, well, they continue to inch up a little bit. The official forecast has it as a Category 1 storm, but you see now some of the models creeping up into the major hurricane status as we make our way toward the weekend. So as we look at that 7-day forecast, really nice weather over the next 7 days. Highs into the 70s and 80s, low temperatures 40s, 50s, and 60s across our region. Your one chance of rainfall on Sunday.